Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a refund from AutoDS. Now just go to their website. Okay, now here at the bottom right, you should see this support section. Now, basically all you need to do is choose an option. In this case, choose orders assistance. Okay, and then I want you to just wait for their bot and we'll proceed further. We need to give them the best email to contact us. So just provide your email with them. And basically, let me explain what you are going to be doing. They will basically reach out to you after you pick these options. So you basically say you have a question regarding existing order, you proceed further, you request a refund from them. They'll ask you to go ahead and, you know, initiate a refund, and then you'll basically have to get the same email address they used to sign up. You'll need to provide your contact details, whereby you'll provide your payment information as well so that they can verify you and refund you the money. Now, if this video was helpful to you, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.